Okay, Xiaomi is a company best known for making really slick, pretty premium looking products for quite an affordable price. And what we have inside this wooden box right now is no different. So, this is from One More, which is a headphone company founded by a heavy investment from Xiaomi, using similar values and applying them to the audio market. Okay, let's get it open. Okay. So there are a whole bunch of different products in here. We've got some strange ones that I wasn't expecting, and then we've also got 5 flagship products, which is kind of what we're going to be making this video about. There are also a few miscellaneous packages that came with the audio stuff. We've got a polo shirt branded with the One More logo. That's pretty unusual. Inside this white box, there's a DIY headphone stand. There's a jumper too, kind of looks a little bit like a baseball jacket, but nonetheless pretty nice materials. And this bear, which I guess must be the company's mascot, because we've got a tiny keyring version here, plus the giant one we pulled out at the beginning. Let's go to this. The first main product is the tripledriver Bluetooth in-ear headphones. And this neckband design is currently my go-to. I quite like how earphones like this just kind of sit around your neck and you'll pretty much forget you're even wearing them. Also, notice the attention to detail, the sketches on the side, every single possible ear tip you could want, a USB Type-C cable for charging, as well as a soft leatherette style case. Not to mention the instruction manual of course, as well as this cute little sticker. Okay, one of the main selling points here is the new LDAC compression algorithm, which basically allows higher bitrate sound to travel. You might have heard of Bluetooth aptX. Well, this has twice the bitrate of even aptX HD, and almost every Android phone with Oreo or higher natively supports it. You've also got mega fast charging. It uses USB Type-C and in 10 minutes gives you 3 hours of playtime. We've got environmental noise cancellation, which uses software and an array of microphones to massively reduce background noise. And its premium feeling. You've got a soft touch flexible headband, aerospace grade metal composite, and a diamond cut bezel. Okay, next up is the Spearhead Bluetooth VR in-ear headphones. So, these have the fast charging as well as the environmental noise cancellation of the last pair, but with a focus on gaming, and this brings a couple of other things with it. But first of all, inside the box, you'll get pretty much the same stuff, but the box itself has quite a nice dark red and black theme to it. The focus on gaming means that you get real-time 3D audio that helps you to position enemies, and you guessed it, customizable lighting, which is quite unusual for in-ear headphones like this. If 3 drivers weren't enough, then these are the quad driver in-ear headphones. And you might be thinking, why on earth would you want quad drivers in one pair of earphones? Well, 3 of them are focused solely on the high and ultra high frequencies, and in a sense this is one of the areas of strength here. Also, out of all the products in this video, this has got to be my #1 favorite in terms of presentation. The box in particular is a real highlight, and it also comes with an airplane adapter as well as a clip. Alongside, of course, the audio, you've got a couple of other benefits with this pair of earphones. The 45-degree angle of the head means that once it is in, it pretty much locks into place, so it doesn't fall out. You've got a cable that is constructed with Kevlar fiber on the inside, which as you might have guessed means it ain't gonna break in your pocket. For some people, that in-ear form factor just doesn't work, no matter how good the product is. So, there is something more. These are the tripledriver over-ear headphones. The headphones come presented in this hard clamshell case, which is cool and all, but it's weird that they've actually included a soft case as well inside the box. Not that I'm complaining, of course. For most people, this is the more comfortable option, and the benefit of having an over-ear product means you're going to get more spacious sound. It's foldable too, and kind of resembles the wheels of a sports car. And this headphone has what they call a bass reflex driver, which is a more dynamic driver that can deliver more energetic bass. This leads to audio that is punchy, whilst also feeling light and bouncy. Okay, and almost the product that we've been building up to. This is the Spearhead VRX. it's serious business. As you probably guessed, this is the heaviest package on the menu, and this is not an ordinary headset by any stretch of the imagination. There's quite a few unusual features that come with it. It uses a 50mm levitating magnetic driver inside, for what they describe as thundering bass. And a surprisingly rare feature, these headphones work with pretty much anything. They support audio through both USB and the 3.5mm jack, so not just your phone but also your PC or console. The Spearhead VRX uses a tech called Waves NX to not just simulate surround audio, but continually adjust the audio as you move your head around, as happens in the real world. This of course makes virtual reality incredible, and you can watch movies with real 7.1 surround sound. They also have a fully customizable lighting system, a dedicated volume and bass slider, and, something I personally appreciate, a fingerprint resistant coating. Alright, massive thanks to One More for making this video possible. I'll add all the links in the description below, and also we've got a 10% discount code. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching, I'll catch you in the next one.